Okay, so hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. You all are safe and you all are practicing these tutorials. So here I'm going to talk about the difference between slice and splice. So what slice does is slice takes position of index you want and it goes up to the position of index you want and it cancels out the last index. Okay. So suppose let's explain slice first. So here are numbers. I want the array at index 2. So the array at index 2 is 30 up to the array at index 4. That is 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I want these three, but instead of printing the index 4, it will give us only 30 and 40. Okay. Let sliced numbers equals to numbers dot slice and 2 to 4. Okay, if you know console log sliced numbers and run the script. Okay, so as I said, it's supposed to give me 30, 40, 50, but it cancels out the last index. Okay, that is, it goes up to the position of the index you want. So I wanted it to go up to the index of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes up to 50 and cancels it. So if you want to take like 2, 3, 4, you need to add another one. Okay, like this. You need to add it up to the index of 5 so that it gives you the exact index you want. Now it will give you 30, 40, 50. So let us run this script and see. Yeah. So slice is very much clear. On the other hand, splice is, it takes the position of index, okay, and it goes up to 3 spaces. Suppose I want to take the array at index 2 and go up to 3 spaces, including the position of the first selected index, which means that the starting position is I want the array, it should be starting. Okay, so you want the array to starting at index 2 and to go up to 3 spaces, including the position of the first selected index or the starting index. Means you started at 2 and you wanted to go up to 3 spaces. So now you see what you can do is okay, let spliced numbers equals to numbers dot splice 2. So what we want is we wanted to go to 3 spaces, including the space up to 3 indexes, including the index, the starting index, the position of the starting index. So if we console log spliced numbers, let us see what we get while running this script. Node script.js. Yeah. So now you see we start at 30 and we want to go to 3 spaces, including the position of the starting index. You started till 30 and you wanted to go 3 spaces, including this 30. So it will go from 30, 40, 50. It will cover 3 index positions. So I guess I'm very much clear. Okay. It takes the position of the index you want to start and it goes up to the slice, takes the position of the index you want to start and it goes up to the position you want to end, and it cancels out the last index. On the other hand, Splice takes the position of the index you want to start, and it goes up to the number of indexes you want, including the starting index. So I guess slice and splice are very much clear. If you practice 1 or 2 times, I have explained things very clearly, and in the future, so these are the array methods of now, and there will be many things like high order array functions and some other things, but as of now these things are good enough for practice and for beginners. So hope to see you soon with some more data types.